Surprising, unsurprisingly. See that? It's us. Space Force One. We're descending. In for a rough... Oh, fuck.
What? What's going on? What the hell? Songbird!
V! The President! You have to...
Songbird! God damn it! Shit! Fuck me! Okay. Got this. Save the President. Sure. No fucking problem. Wonderful.
Okay, I'm back.
Songbird!
And now, landed safely.
Shit, Songbird. Thought you might have... Fuck.
Yeah, I know. Songbird the cab. Light number 9 commenced. Alas, I made sure to get Myers to the safe room before I ejected. Run to the wreckage, V. Save her.
Songbird, they just shot you clean out of the sky. No fucking way.
I had no idea Hanson was that fucked in the head.
We're that fucking determined.
You need to hurry.
What then? Got a plan?
Find Myers, get her to Liz Crest Street. It'll be the safest spot in Dogtown right now.
Right.
I'll be in touch. Godspeed, V. Scaffolding. Scaling. Go. People are there. Seems they've been given a job to finish.
Be damned if I'll let them. Gotta hurry, though.
Must be some way I could... Wait, I got it. The crane arm. Hop on. I think I can put it up. Not a second to spare now. Across the room, right straight ahead. Get inside quick. Fuel tank's insulated. It won't explode. See anything?
Whole lot of wrecked aircraft.
Anyone alive?
Nobody jumping out to greet me.
Shit! Are we too late? Keep moving back. You'll see a safe room. I'll pop the release on the door.
Oh, fuck's sake! Let go! If I do, you'll calm down?
It depends who you are.
Rosalind Myers, you're looking at the solution to your current problems. Name's V.
Corny as it sounds. My favorite letter of the alphabet just now. Apologies. I had to be sure it was really you.
Right. Let's Delta before... Fucking hell.
Damn it! They just won't let up!
Attack the target! Live, bitch! Forward! Open wide! Shred the cup! Cover me! Rapid fire! Keep them busy!
Songbird, you there?
V, how's the cinch?
We're alive. Both of us.
Now listen. Head for the vacant building on...
Elizabeth Cress. Got it. Give me some credit.
It's the best place to lay low. No heat signatures, so it's empty. Not a soul inside. Now get moving.
Got Songbird on comms. She's fine. Found us a safe house nearby, too.
Songbird. I'd started to worry. I suppose I forgot she always hands on her feet.
Crazy luck, both of you.
Maybe you brought it with you. This is some fucking nightmare. My people dead. All of them. Because of me.
Well, Kurt Hansen killed them. Not you.
Is that what you think? You have no idea how deep this goes. We were hacked. It means Hansen had help. From Washington. The NUS government is aware of the crash, no doubt. They'll have sat-mapped it, seen us hit the ground in Dogtown. Unless the plot goes deeper. Hansen's spreading his agitprop lies as we speak. I'm sure of it. Our people will have an even harder time crossing the border. I can't trust a soul. I just... Fuck. I don't know what to do.
True. Got no idea how deep this shit goes myself. Do know, though, that falling apart won't help. Keep it together. Only way you'll survive.
I'm afraid yanking my emotional bootstraps won't cut it.
Let's give it a shot anyway. We stick to the plan. After that, I guess we'll see.
Wait a second. Damn it. If Hansen's got someone inside in Washington, that means I'm traceable. Wherever, whenever. I have a subdermal tracker. It needs to go ASAP. It's near an artery that's best not nicked. I'll need your help.
Assume you know what you're doing. Be completely on your own without the tracker.
Well, you're here.
Offline in a millisec. Next stop, Greenland. And your new buckwheat tilling life.
Wish it were that simple.
Yep, same.
Drone, finish up, quick. Cover now! That was close.
V, I'm here.
Right on time. You in one piece?
For now. Can't say I'll stay that way. You need to get to the top of the building. Talk later.
Got Songbird on comms. Says we gotta climb higher.
Lead the way. It's your city, after all.
Kurt's hounds have caught your scent. You need to move.
Delta time. Let's go.
We'll ask our guardian angel if she can get this elevator moving.
Elevator could use a runner's touch, Song.
Already on it. Uh-huh. Sorry, V. My magic's no good here. What we need's power. There's a maintenance shaft with a fuse box nearby. Follow the scaffolding.
Says I need to turn the lights back on. Might take a minute.
Fine, I'll keep my head down. It's running. Do you think it'll work? Lousy place to get stuck.
Just one way to find out.
What's the probability a random passerby noticed a moving elevator in an abandoned hotel? Right. Leave the analytics to Songbird. Little fuckers are fidgety. Sharp sensors on those. If they've sensed us already, the place will be swarming in no time.
Great reason to move on and keep moving.
My thoughts exactly.
And mine. Just stay calm and keep quiet.
Hold. Drone on your left.
Remote controlled. If I touch it, I give away your position.
Something best avoided.
Restaurant. Subnet access point in there. If you jack in, I can inject some fake hostile readings. Send the drones chasing after geese.
Doable.
I think we'd do best to sneak past him. Here, we're dead.
Throw on the wrist, huh? Why? It's stupid. It's not just your life on the line here.
I'm reloading! B! Rapid fire! Stay alert, B! They're on you!
Got something nice.
Protect him!
They're gonna get tagged. You should have dropped them.
Confirm suspect presence in the area. Better find it soon.
Detecting multiple control sinks, V. Stay on your toes.
Sync to a radio frequency. Hear me okay?
Loud and clear, Sophie. Would you care to tell me what the fuck is going on?
We have a plan we need to stick to. Elizabeth Crest Street. That's where you need to go. The streets are too hot, so you need to go underground.
Like literally?
You'll take Old Metro Tunnel. Find the nearest station beneath an abandoned Expo Tower.
Got it.
Scumbags won't let up. Lose them before accessing the garage.
That could have gone worse. We better evac. For shit's sake. They catch us out here, we're dead.
Scumbags won't let up. Lose them before accessing the garage.
Target's still in the vicinity. Keep up the search.
It seems we're in the clear. For now. Outpost. Best go around.
You lost her. On your own
And like
fucking
that,
turf.
we're gone.
That's it. Return to
Good thing you
base.
grabbed the wheel. Looks clear. Fine. Nice change. Dogtown. What a joke. Did you all nuke this place?
You all. First time I'm here.
Likewise. And if I never make it back, it'll be too soon.
Sheesh. Looks like a kind of museum.
A museum of wishful thinking. Where the rich bought and sold so many unfulfilled dreams. No need to delay.
feel free to ask her about those exhibits. Really wonder what she'll say.
Damn. There's no way around this?
Songbird, got a sitch. Can you jimmy the door?
On it. Oh, the lock jammed. Gotta brute force it, V.
Time to roll up your sleeves.
No need. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Head for the elevator, just across the room.
Huh. One of Hansen's warehouses, it seems.
Okay, here goes.
V, do you hear that? Shit. Bastard's caught up. To us again.
Songbird?
Hey, bad news this time. Hansen's dogs caught your scent. Assault incoming. They must have geolocated the car you jacked.
What now?
Got a surprise for our guests. Making the final adjustments now. Keep them busy for a sec. Need that.
Myers, we gotta engage him. Song's on the case.
Technique locking! Take your time!
Using a shotgun!
Starting to heat up in here, Songbird.
Working on it. Hold on tight.
They won't get it!
Almost there. Still melting that over it.
Big ride!
70%.
Using a shotgun!
It's on our side! It's moving!
Holy shit!
And we're clear. I detect no more. God.
What? Oh god, what? Songbird? What's with you?
What the hell is going on, V?
Dunno, Song's having a fit or something!
Not looking good! Oh, shit!
Son of a bitch went haywire!
For fuck's sake, Sumi! Slap a muzzle on the thing!
Damn it! There, got it! Elevator on the way! Stay low till it gets here!
Fucking damn it! Elevator!
Myers, get in!
Oh, shit!
Wanna play rough, gonna get rough. What now? Oh shit, not good. Oh shit!
V! You're not dying on me today.
No. Guess not.
Right. Good.
You okay? Injured at all?
Nothing serious. I got lucky.
Can't stay here.
Are you mobile?
Motherfucker! Will you just die? The flow wrecked it! Let's go! Take this tin can to hell! Cross the bastard! In the exposed Watch the laser! Aim for a sweet take!
Rusting piss, shitbot!
Nicely done. Good fucking riddance. Safeguarding the nation. My ass.
Close call, Matt. Good teamwork.
And luck. A pile of luck, V. Grab what you can, and let's head out. There has to be an exit here, somewhere.
What's this?
Good stuff. I just hope this won't be a dead end.
Songbird said to keep to the tunnels all the way to Elizabeth Crest Street.
Any chatter from her?
0. Dead quiet.
Still. Not good.
Come on! Fuck.
Got a hatch here. Could we jump, maybe? Hold up, V. Let's pause. Think for a sec.
What's eating you?
I don't like this. Can you try calling So Me again?
Okay, gonna give it a shot. Need a songbird. Starting to worry us, girl. Song, are you there?
No answer, huh? Guess you got me and only me.
Great to see you again, Johnny.
Curb the enthusiasm, kid. Never know. Could need me.
So? Did you reach her?
Nothing. No response.
Shit. What happened back there? With So Me?
Something was off for sure. Could say she got hit with a demon, maybe tripped a defense protocol on the Chimera's ice.
Could say.
If Songbird was a cookie-cutter runner. Both know she's not, though.
Damn fucking straight.
But who knows? Whole thing was a clusterfuck. You know, knowing that run comes without a burn risk.
No. Impossible. So Me's had occasional off moments lately. Temporary slumps. But I'm sure she's headed where we're...
Right. Reasonable. Girl's gonna have a hell of a hangover. If she wakes up.
We're heading southwest now. Feels like we're circling back.
Song mentioned an abandoned building. Place to lie low. No heat sig, so should be relatively safe.
I pray you're right, So Me.
Could use a little help.
Of course. A damn fork? Well, we didn't account for this. Which way now?
Let's try this way.
Looks promising.
Hot as Satan's balls in here. Should plug that.
Look for a valve.
Ouch.
Huh, our stop. On the right, see it? Here's where we surface.
Christ, finally.
I'm gonna smell musty for a week.
Nope, no way through there.
Waste of time. These tunnels are unfinished. A maintenance tunnel. We could try to squeeze through.
So far, so good.
But the faster the better. Elizabeth Crest Street. Bull-headed Betty. That's what we called her. Re-elected 9 times. You believe it? She must have had her ass welded to that seat. Funny how she has her own street in Night City.
Not now.
V, are you?
1 sec. It'll pass. See? Better already.
What's the matter? Are you hurt?
Nothing. Really.
V, please. I have a highly honed nose for bullshit.
Got an experimental Arasaka biochip in my brain. It's killing me, literally. Somi says she might have a solution.
Wait. You're talking about the relic.
That'd be the one.
The secretive tech someone stole from Arasaka. On the day Saburo lost his battle with mortality, no less.
Bingo.
So that's how she could reach you. It also goes a long way toward explaining the nature of your deal. I appreciate the candor. Seems it's all for one and one for all, if we're to survive.
Expecting more trouble?
Tonight, I expect nothing but. It's best to be prepared for any contingency.
Okay, this is us. 8th.
Great place for an ambush. Hopefully, no one else thinks so. Is this the place? I'll cover you. On 3. 1, 2. Pitch fucking black. Where are you, Somi?
Guess we got here first.
Seems so. I'll have to sit tight. Though I assume I'd rather not sit in the dark. Power would be useful. We could also get the radio up and running.
What? Can't miss our daily dose of fear-mongering?
We need to know the situation on the ground. I'm gonna change